today's episode of the, I don't have a name for my YouTube channel, putting nitrous on this fucking Solstice. Shit's crazy.
You get 13.
13? I contributed.
Now we got power.
Not good at wiring things, so I have an electronics technician here to do that. Paying him in food and liquor.
Switch.
All right.
Green to ground. Of course, took that fucking bolt off and everything. Looks like a good zip tie position right there.
I do have zip ties.
Looks like it almost fucking fits in there.
See, this car was made to have nitrous. Zip ties, kids, are what race cars are made out of.
Something like that. What can I zip tie? Now it fits in there.
Damn! Is that Holly performance coming through? This is the Nitrous Sniper Kit by NOS Holly Performance. Clearly it's made for a Pontiac Solstice and no other vehicles on the road today. Got some buzzards on your roof right
Yeah, looking at this car.
now. Fuck you. Oh, modified Pontiac. What could go wrong? Everything.
Just about everything.
The vultures are circling. They know we're putting nitrous on a 4-cylinder. If you need it, the genuine dashboard alignment tool.
Look at that. You drive with it all the way up?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I'm a large person.
If you drop it down, it's probably gonna do the same thing.
It's not like I work out, I'm fat.